हे वेलकम टू डे 17। और आज के दिन तो मैंने बहुत कुछ किया जैसे कि डेली आई डूइंग, बट टुडे इज समथिंग स्पेशल। द स्पेशल थिंग इज टुडे आई डिड all the subtask of a particular task, and that is a great like opportunity, like, that is the great thing I did today. And if you say I only missed one task, but other than that I was doing more than my expectations. So that's why today is great day for me. And like, let's start talking about what I did today. So you can see here, so I finished five of them today out of six. That is a good, and the sixth one I will try to finish in the night. Let's see how it goes, but I'll try to do, like, at least I will touch it for an hour, so it is goes better, the day go better. And it's already 11 midnight, so let's see, maybe for a 1 hour 11 to 12 I'll try to do it. And let's see, the two questions to merge interval and one question for sliding window. So today I finished my sliding window problems, as you can see here. So today I look, if you see, these are the sliding window problem. These are done. Now I move to the merge interval problems. The merge interval is about the uh, merging two or more than two ranges in between. So it's about the overlapping of those ranges. Suppose this range goes from 2 to 4 and this range goes to 1 to 3, then it will lie here. So if they overlap with each other, then merge them. So that's about the merge interval, and I'll be doing more practice questions on it. And then I did two questions for queue and two questions for linked list. It was a good thing. Why I'm saying good thing? Because if you remember, yesterday I was doing one of the questions, that is this max of all sub-array. It was just confusing me a lot. It is a good problem to solve though, but it was confusing to me. So today I finished it in a one go. That is the good thumbs up for me. And as you can see, I just finish it in a good manner. And with this, actually, I also did some of other questions and started the linked list today only. And let's see how it goes. Although if you say in the linked list, I finished some of the questions already. Okay. And tomorrow I'll try to start the tree. That is the task or goal I have already set it up. Okay, let me make them tasks and add one more. I'll add that as soon as I touch the rails, right? And then about the caching. Okay, yesterday I missed some of the part of caching. Okay, and today I try to finish them actually. And what is I learn about how the caching methodologies are there, like what are the type of uh, caching methods, what are the schemes of caching, what is cache invalidation, so why we need cache invalidation. Cache invalidation is like, if you are storing a data in the cache, and then in, suppose data is updated in your database, so but your cache have the older data or like stale data, and that's the problem of this like system, because your cache didn't know about the current data. So the cache should be updated, and so that is the process of saying cache invalidation. So whatever the data present in the cache, it is invalid, right? So to do that, we have multiple schemes. by which we can do the cache invalidations like cache through store through cache, yeah, store around cache, store behind cache, store back cache. These are the some of the schemes, and there is some other methods that use to invalidate the cache, like purge, like refresh, like ban. Okay, those are the, and then we come to the acquiring behavior through inheritance. It was a great learning for me about the inheritance. So it was talking about how you can utilize the superclass and subclass. How can you utilize the abstraction property of superclass in the subclass without knowing what and the best thing what I learned from this whole chapter is that superclass is always should be abstracted, and subclass should be specialization of the superclass. That is the best thing I learned. And the second more thing is always superclass should be have only abstract properties which can be used in all the subclass, and the subclass should have all the concrete properties or behaviors or concrete messages in it, right? And then I did this React 4-hour tutorial. The tutorial is not finished yet, but I was looking into it and then did all of this. Yeah, this is the website that I have created. Mostly this is the mm, uh, website where you have your favorite book list. And here I was doing some experiment. If you see, this is from local store source. This is from public local storage, and the other ones are from some of the links and loaded from the cloud. Or yeah, and yep, this is what I learned today only, React me. And today I also going to work on Rails and try to touch it upon and see how it goes. And as always, thank you.